Hi besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. It's me Gigi and we have some products to test out today. We have the Modelones Perfect 6 Gel Polish, but actually we have two because this is what I've been waiting for to come in all week. This is one of the things that's going to be in the giveaway prize. And I got two because I really wanted one for my collection as well. As you can see, it has this little sleeve here, and it's the Secret Garden Perfect 6 Gel Polish Collection by Modelones. They are 10 millimeter bottles. Here's a little thing to join their community. So if you want to join their community, okay. Here is the back portion. Now mine slides open easily, but I did want to show you that the one you're going to be receiving, whoever wins this, it is sealed. Okay, it's not been opened. All right, so here is all the instructions and ingredients, tips for applying, all of the good little informations that you would need. So let's crack it open and pull it out. Oh, look at, oh, and there's a little sleeve or a little flyer in here that gives you very detailed ingredients, all kinds of instructions. But this is not our first time with Modelones or with gel polish. So we're gonna play. Okay guys, I wanna start off by saying these are gorgeous. These bottles, oh my goodness. I absolutely adore these. I'm going to pop these out. Okay, it was a good thing that I paused you for that because seriously, that was difficult. And a couple of the bottles felt loose. So that was a little disconcerting. Oh, wow, guys. Wow, that's pretty. So pretty. And I really love that it appears like the colors correspond. Like not the flower or anything, but the color behind the picture corresponds to what's in the bottle. Let's test that theory one more time, shall we? Yes, yellow, yellow. See? That is exactly the yellow that I wanted. Look at that. Let's watch these puppies, okay? Let's just go ahead and start the swatching. Okay, besties, now that we have done all the swatching, I just wanted to take a second and go over everything that I'm putting into the first giveaway here on the channel. Now, if you recall, on the channel, we have used these quite a bit, and they are the Modelones glitter gels. And this set is exactly the same as these, and this is sealed still, completely unopened, never been used, brand new for you. And the same goes with the Secret Garden. I absolutely love this sleeve. I think it is so, so pretty. It's so hard for me to throw away pretty packaging, so I may hang on to that. I'm not sure why. Not yours, but my own, because mine has been opened, of course. I will say the one thing I don't love about the packaging is this. It was really difficult to get that first one out, and it also left a lot of like black little marks and stuff on there. So I'm not a fan of this, which is the main reason why I might not keep the box, because that insert is not that great. So you tell me when, whoever wins this, or if you already have it, let me know if you agree with that. Now I also, let me just scooch these out of here. Let me scooch. I have a ton of glitter here in the house. So what I did was put together a few glitter mixes. And actually I'm going to save this one. They're all so pretty. As soon as I touch one, I'm like, no, that's my favorite. I made this real pretty pink. Let me just sort of spread it out. So you can see there's some like clear glitters, some silver glitters, and a bunch of pink glitters all mixed together to make this super, super fun mix. I have this black, purple, and blue mix. I'm going to make some of that for myself for sure. Then this pink, silver, and blue mix. It almost looks red, white, and blue, but it is pink. It is pink. And then, oh my gosh, this one, it's just, it gives me so much happiness. It's got those clear and silver glitters in there, but with yellow and green hearts. Oh. Okay, so whoever wins is going to have so much fun with those. And then I've also got a box of, I'm not going to grab those out though. I've got a box of poppets. There's another name for them, I can't remember. But I don't do that. I always sculpt. So I'm never going to use them. They came with one of the sets of polygel I got. And so I'm just going to throw that into the giveaway as well, because somebody's going to enjoy that. And so I hope that if you win the prize, you are going to enjoy that. So that is going to be the first giveaway on the channel. All you have to do to win is be subscribed to this channel and comment below your Instagram handle so that I've got a way to contact you. If you don't have an Instagram handle, maybe your email or something. How about your Twitter handle? Just give me a way in the comment section how to reach you. And if you are a subscriber, then you will be entered into the giveaway. Okay, guys, please be sure to share all my videos, but this one, help your friends. You know, maybe they want to win some gel polish as well. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, for being part of this channel, for being part of my nail journey. I just really, really, really appreciate you guys on a whole other level. I'm sure you get that, but I really just need you to know that I love spending time with you each week. Every time I make a video, I'm trying so hard to do a good job for you. And it just brings me so much joy to interact with you guys and to be able to bring you a giveaway and just to be besties with you guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you next week when we play with a bunch of this stuff. See you then. Bye-bye, guys. Mwah!